Today I wanted to give a quick update on the Kawasaki Ridge Snowplow. I used the white PVC pipe on the edge of the snowplow, and it broke apart these last couple of days, so I've replaced it now with a black ABS pipe. It's 1.5 inch ID pipe. It's about 2 inch OD. Just cut a slit down the length of it and slide it onto the plow. So we'll see how this does. This is the ABS pipe that I got from Ace Hardware. It's 1.5 inch ID. It's about 2 inches OD ABS. I just used a circular saw to cut a slit all the way down the length of the pipe, and then I just used the text on the pipe as a guideline for the saw blade. And then when you put this on the plow, I just use a chisel here to help open up the end of the pipe there. Hopefully you can see that, and that helps guide it on. And once you get it onto the edge of the plow, then you just tap it from the other end with a mallet, and it slides into place. I had a number of viewers suggest many different things for the edge of the plow blade. Anything from the plow rubber strip, urethane. Somebody suggested a 2x6, and someone else suggested electrical metal conduit tubing, and I think they're all good ideas. I just wanted something that has that round shape and won't damage my grass when I go over the edge of the grass. So we're going to give this a try. The PVC pipe was around $8 for a 10-foot length. My plow is 72 inches, so it's 6 foot wide, and the PVC pipe I think was $14.99 from Ace Hardware, and that was for a 10-foot length too. The plow rubber for a 6-foot length was around $80 I think delivered, and some of the urethane strips I've seen at over $100. I'm not sure how much the conduit is, but I can't imagine that any of the other options mentioned are going to be as cheap as this piece of pipe. I'll put a link in the description for some of the plow edge material options I talked about earlier in the video. You can check them out for yourselves and check prices and stuff, so hopefully that'll be useful. I'll let you all know in a future video how durable the ABS black pipe is on the front of the plow. Thanks for watching.